What's going on, everyone? Welcome to video number 2. Now this one is special for me because this one is actually my phone. As I said in the first one, the purple one isn't for me. That's for my wife. This one is mine. This is the Pro Max 512 gig in space black. As the purple I was umming and ahhing over it for a while, and then when the push came to the shove, I was like, space black it is, because at the end of the day my case is black and you got the purple outline from the camera showing, and I was like, no, just go with the black. So we've got the 512 iPhone 14 Pro Max in space black. I do have case videos coming soon. I've got screen protector videos, and I am doing a day in the life video when I get to the States, though. Not here, I'm going to be doing it in the States. So you're going to spend a day with me in Orlando, and we're going to go through the phone. I'm going to take it to Universal, pictures, videos, you name it. But first of all, we're going to open the box, we're going to set it up to me. So let's just go ahead, let me just stop rambling and get into this video. So tab at the top, we're going to rip right open. Like so, there's one at the bottom, 2. I'm not going to show you everything that's in the box because I've already done that with the Pro video, sorry. So if you haven't seen that, click right here. That'll take you to the Pro video and you can watch the deep purple one be unboxed. But this one is mine, so we're going to do a complete setup on this one. As you can see, exactly the same insides. Charging cable, booklet at the top with your SIM ejection tool, and of course your Apple sticker. So there we go, there is deep black. You got them deep black rings around the cameras and a deep black gloss side of things. It does look very grey here. It does look like the space grey version. And then you got those nice black rails running down the side. They are very grey too. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me take this off with you guys on camera. You ready? 1, 2, 3, rip. And there it is. There is the space black 14 Pro Max. I'm going to switch it on right now. Switch it on. Apple logo showing up. So we'll see what happens. See it kick in. And boom, there we go. Dynamic island at the top. I'm going to show you that working in this video. So let's go ahead and let's set this phone up, and I'll show you how I have it set up a little bit. I'm not going to show you what's on. At the end of the day, I'm going to have a video dedicated to what's on my iPhone coming soon. So I've got a lot of stuff to do with the Z Fold 4, so stay tuned for those videos. But let's go ahead and let me set this up to me, and I'll be right back to show you exactly how I've got it set up. So this is just a quick future Paul update. I don't know whether you heard about this, but the text on the back, you can actually feel it. It feels all raised on the back of the box. Not that it matters, but just something different that they've done. Obviously the boxes are white, black iPhone on this side, front of the phone on this side. This has got texture to it now. Okay, so I'm now fully in to my iPhone, as you can see, completely set up. However, I do need to download my apps and get it set up the way that I want it. So we'll return very shortly when I've completely finished it. Let's jump a bit further on in the video and I can show you how I've got it set up. So, what's going on, guys? It's now a bit later. In fact, it's a lot later. It's now the following morning. It's currently just coming up to 8 AM. Now, the reason for that is I got carried away filming videos last night. I put one up and then decided to leave it because I thought, you know what, it's just going to make a mess of the channel. So I figured we'd upload it today. So I've got it set up. I've put one of the Apple wallpapers on there just for now, as you can see. And it shows where your location is on the actual wallpaper. It pinpoints it to the exact location. Obviously, I'm in England in the UK, and it's actually the little green dot. Unsure whether you can see that, but the little green dot shows pretty much your location. So the way I've got it set up right now, I've got 2 pages. So I've got one with a load of folders in it, and then the other one is my main apps that I go into every single day. So up at the top right there, I've got a weather widget. I've got the Lumi widget. It shows me when it's going to be, when the sun's going to rise, so you get obviously golden hour, and obviously of an evening when it's going to set, so you also get the same thing. It shows me when blue hour is, etc. Lumi is a great app. If you haven't got it, suggest you go and get it. And then we've got messages, FaceTime, WhatsApp, the camera app. Then I've got calendar, clock, notes, music, photos, Waze, YouTube Studio and YouTube. Then the Ford Pass Pro app for the car, App Store, podcast and settings. Now this will change. It's not staying like this. This was just to get it all set up and ready to go. Everything is now still downloading, but we are getting there, and this will be a completely different setup. So make sure you stay tuned for the what's on my video. That'll be coming in a couple of weeks time, probably from the States, to be honest, while we're there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you picked up, and obviously we've got a case video coming pretty much the following day, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. But for now, guys, I am going to head off. Thank you guys so much for watching, I truly appreciate it. As always, drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel just like this, and let me know what you want to see with the 14 Pro Max in them comments down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you all soon. Take care, guys.